Welcome to my review of Tuned, the automated trading bot that promises to help you optimize your trading strategy. If you're new to the world of crypto trading, or looking for a way to automate your trades more effectively, Tuned might be what you're searching for. Upon visiting the website, you'll immediately notice the sleek, user-friendly interface. It's designed with both beginners and advanced traders in mind, making it accessible for various skill levels. One of the first things that stands out about Tuned is its ability to connect seamlessly with major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase Pro, making it easy to integrate into your existing trading setup. The dashboard gives you a clear view of your portfolio, trading history, and current active strategies. It's intuitive, with simple navigation, which is ideal if you want to quickly check your progress without diving into a complex interface. The bot also supports a wide range of trading strategies, from basic ones for beginners to more sophisticated algorithms for experienced traders. Tuned uses advanced machine learning algorithms to adapt to market trends, helping you make smarter trading decisions. The AI behind the bot is designed to constantly analyze market conditions and adjust its strategies in real time, which can increase the chances of profitability. One of its standout features is the backtesting tool, allowing you to test your strategies on historical data before using them in live trades. This is extremely useful for fine-tuning your approach and avoiding unnecessary risks. The platform also offers customizable settings, so you can tweak the bot to fit your preferred trading style. For instance, you can set the level of risk you're comfortable with, specify trading pairs, and set stop-loss limits. This level of customization gives you a lot of control over how the bot operates on your behalf. Many users appreciate the transparency that Tuned offers. You can track your performance and see detailed reports, giving you insight into how well your strategies are performing. The performance metrics are presented in a clear, easy-to-understand format, helping you make informed decisions about your next move. Many useful links can be found in the description. Now, let's talk about the pricing structure. Tuned offers a few different subscription plans depending on the features you need and the level of service you're after. There's a basic plan that covers most of the essential features, but for more advanced tools and additional trading strategies, you may want to opt for a higher tier plan. In terms of customer support, Tuned provides a variety of resources, including a detailed knowledge base, tutorial videos, and a responsive support team. If you encounter any issues, their team is quick to help by email or live chat. Overall, Tuned offers a great blend of ease of use, advanced features, and customization options for traders looking to automate their crypto trading. If you're considering using Tuned, make sure to explore all the available features and determine which plan fits your needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on trading bots and other tools.